Shandong Yaweh Heavy Industry Machinery was founded in 2011 with more than 80 experienced employees. Our company relies on a state-of-the-art management, adheres to the policy of premium quality, customer first, and trustworthiness, the spirit of solidarity, down-to-earth, and innovation. We consider producing high-quality products as our utmost responsibility. We value business philosophy of employees as foundation, market as direction, quality as brand, innovation as business lifeline. We keep spurring ourselves into becoming a world-class loader manufacturer. Company incorporates cutting-edge 3D design for manufacturing, and we keep great partnerships with famous institutes and enterprises. We adopt ERP system and product R&D and management. We are capable of researching and developing high-tech products. All this helps us form an excellent system to develop our own independent intellectual properties. We produce a series of advanced products for backhoe loaders, blending bucket loaders, multiple-purpose excavators, telescopic handlers, off-road forklifts, drilling rigs, and 2-in-1 forklift crane machines, etc. We always pursue trustworthiness and premium quality. Along with this road, we have built multiple high-efficient sales teams and service teams domestically and globally. Now we can take pride in assuring our customers that we will provide you with premium products at a cost-effective cost and high-quality service. We would like to thank all our partners from Asia, Africa, Europe, and other countries, and we will join hands with you to pursue industry trends and better products.